Hello everyone. I'm going to present you the complete ERP software for hardware, tiles, sanitary, marble, and all type of sanitary items we can manage here. We can sell here. We can procure here. We can manage stocks. So we can manage banking general ledgers. So this is a full-fledged complete system where we can manage the complete ERP system and all the item and products here. Now I'm going to present you step by step the complete sale and purchasing section. Just like through procurement, this is a complete dashboard. Here we can manage all the supplier or vendors orders, invoices, bills, each and everything we can manage here. And this is the purchase order form, like we can manage all the form and all the features here. And the next module are also listed here, just like supplier invoices we can manage here, all the invoice structure here, create notes, the requisition and requisition allocations, all the things are listed here. And the most important things are inquiries, so we can manage here all the inquiries also. Supplier transaction inquiry we can also manage here, supplier allocation inquiries we can manage here, plus the complete full page reporting section we can here, just like supplier balance, trial balance. Just I'm going to open a short report, like the charges, credit, allocation, outstanding, the complete structure we can see here. As for the supplier balance, edge supplier analysis, payments reports, outstanding supplier details, and the most important supplier trial balance. So we can manage the supplier trial balance here, just like the opening balance, the closing balance, all the things are listed here. And more reports also here we can manage, and uh, we can print the complete report here. The second important section is we can manage all our customers, or we can manage our salesperson. They are working in our organization. This is a single person system or multi-user level or multi-level system. We can manage all the salesperson here working in the organization. And the things like we can manage the total sale, the aging total, and other most important reporting we can see here. So here we can see we can create the sale quotation also, or the sale order. Both options are available here, and we can create direct delivery, direct invoice against orders, and also invoice against sale delivery, invoice prepaid orders, and we can create a template for delivery, template for invoices, and customer payments, etc. Now I'm going to inquiries and reports. This is a general report we can create date-wise, plus sale order inquiry we can manage here, plus customer transaction inquiry we can have, and the most important customer allocation inquiry also here, and customer share report. So customer share report we can see customer balance, just like I'm giving a single report here. This is the due date, debits, credits, allocation, outstanding, and here is the grand total. We can see the complete record here. Also, the other important customer trial balance we can see here. The customer trial balance we can create the opening balance, the grand total, the debit, credits, also the balance here. And also sales summary we can see here. From date to date we can create the complete sale history, pricing listing, order listing, print invoice, print credit notes, print deliveries, print statements. Each and every are listed here in this section. So the other most important part where we can manage all our inventory and stocks and warehouses, and all the stocks where we have placed all our items. So as per hardware, tiles, and other manufacturing material we can manage here. So Here is the inventory allocation transfer, just like from one location to one. We have multiple warehouses, we have multiple stations, so we can transfer from one to another. Inventory adjustment, we can manage here adjustment, and inquiry inventory moments. So we can see the moments, we can see the statuses of inventory, we can see the reports. Now the inventory reports, we can say just like inventory evaluation. So I am going to present you the full report here, just like the quantity, unit cost, value, all the things are listed within a single report. So inventory planning reports, we can create the inventory planning reports. Also here, this is the inventory planning reports for all the item, date wise, and month wise, we can see here. And stock check sheet, we can see here the stock check sheet here. This is a complete stock check sheet here. And we also change our report through this filter, just like inventory category. We can create the location, we can create the other options here. Inventory memo reports, cost inventory reports, their stock sheet, inventory history, sales summary reports. All the basic modules are listed here. And now we can see the banking general ledgers. So through banking, we can manage how to manage the payments, how to manage the deposits, how to manage the account transactions, and how to see the general entries, and budget entries, reconcile bank accounts, and revenue and cost we can see here. And also the inquiries in reports, we can see general entries reports, and GL inquiry, bank accounts, and taxation we can also see. And the most important report we can see, trial balance. So this is a full-fledged chart of account based inquiry report, just like we can manage the current assets, and the inventory assets, and the capital assets, the liabilities, the current liabilities here. We can manage the current liabilities, long-term liabilities. We can see the share capitals. You can retain the earnings. We can see share revenue, other revenues, and we can manage costs and goods sold. We can manage the payroll expense here. We can manage the general administrative expense here, and many more. We can manage all these things here. And balance sheet drill down, we can see the complete by date wise. We can just select a date and can create a report here. And the profit and loss, this is the most important part of this report. We can, from day to date, we can create the profit and loss. And banking reports, we can see here. The bank statement, we can create the bank statements here. This is a full page report here. The debit, credits, and balance. And next bank statement with the reconcile we can manage here. Cash flow, we can see the cash flow, we can see the bank statement with the reconcile. And the other general ledgers report, the general ledger report, we can see the first thing, chart of account. So based on chart of account, we can create this list of general entries we can manage from date to date. And GL account transaction, annual expense breakdown we can manage here. I'm going to a single report here. So here we can see on month wise. And this is the balance sheet. We can see the balance sheet here. So through balance sheet, we can see the complete detail here, like assets, the liabilities, and the complete liability equipment total here. Now we can see the trial balance also here. The trial balance, we can see the trial balance, assets, etc. And this is the total ending balance we can see here. This is the full page report here. So this is the main report. So just like taxation, annual expense, annual balance breakdown, all the features are listed here. And the last one, we can manage the HR system, the payroll system. So through human resource module, we can manage the attendance, pay slips, payment advice, employees, and the employee management departments, job position, each and everything are listed here. So as for the organization and organization employee, we can manage all the module here. So this is a short overview for a complete hardware, tiles, sanitary, and the hardware material management system. We can manage all the hardware items, hardware products here, and this is a full-fledged ERP system. So I have presented a short overview here. So in depth, we can discuss within meetings to see you the full detail, the full features system, and also the complete detail here. Furthermore, if you have any question, you can contact us or send us an email, or you can call us for further information. Okay, thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.